Hello everybody, today we will sleep and how to do it. I will show you some exercise now. So first what you start to do, it's run out for our right leg. So we take our leg and start to push. Take it 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. Slowly travel down for our leg. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Now we will get seated on this side and take this is leg. Instead of the push, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And another training, I will show you how to go in this side. So follow me and later sleep. So take a breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me and take me back. So bye bye.